Welcome to our guided body scan meditation. Today, we'll take a journey through our body, from the tips of our toes to the top of our head, tuning into the sensations that arise. This practice is not about changing anything or trying to feel different, but simply being aware of what. Gently move your awareness up through your body, part by part, giving each area your full attention. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just notice it and gently bring your focus back to the body part you're on. Here is the step-by-step guided body scan meditation. As we begin, find a comfortable position, either lying down or seated, and close your eyes if that feels right for you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of any tension you might be holding. We'll start by bringing our attention to your feet. Notice any sensations of warmth, pressure, or maybe even tingling, or maybe nothing at all. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to feel. Just notice. Move your attention to the shins. Relax and simply be aware of any sensations. Now, move your attention to the calves. Notice any sensations there. Move to the thighs. To the back of the thighs. The hip. Abdomen. Lower back. Upper back. Chest. Move your focus to the both hands. To the forearms. The upper arms. Shoulders. Neck. Face. Back of the head. Top of the head. Now, expand your focus to the entire body, from the top of the head to the toe. Focus gently on your breath, and relax, feel the sensations of the body. If your mind wanders, simply acknowledge and bring your focus back to your breathing and body. As we conclude, take a moment to feel grateful for the time you've spent nurturing your well-being. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to the room. Thank you for joining me in this body scan meditation. Remember, this practice is a tool you can always come back to whenever you need a moment of peace. The goal is not to change or relax the body, but to simply be aware of it, moment by moment. With regular practice, body scan meditation can enhance your ability to bring mindfulness to everyday activities and improve overall mindfulness, and lead to numerous benefits, including better sleep, reduced anxiety, and enhanced emotional regulation. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Namaste.